It's so beautiful today. I know I keep posting about this, but like when a beautiful day comes along, it's not every day. So, and you might not be able to tell exactly from the video. I mean, it is pretty out, but the temperature's nice too, and it's windy. Ooh, there's a raspberry. There's a few actually. Raspberries are amazing. The field got mowed recently. In case you haven't noticed, my dad mowed it with the tractor. He has a bush hog. Well, my parents do. But yeah, it looks a lot better. Beautiful day. Hi, Blossom. Hi.